All right, guys. Here's what you do if your trunk's not opening on your 2008 to like 2014 Dodge Chargers. Well, first we'll show you how to fix it. First we'll show you how to pop it open, and then second I'll show you how to fix it. So if you're stuck out of your trunk, here's what you do. Is it this lever?
Yep.
Yeah, we're right here. You just pull it. She's gonna come back. Let's get this out the way right now. I'm looking for like a red thing in there, right? A little rever. Yeah, I see it. It's right here, this white handle. And there you go. One way in, one way out.
Tool here.
This is what we're going to be replacing today, right here. All right, guys, he did a quarter of the job for us for no reason. So just imagine as if you had to pop these off, though.
There's a little freaking black clips. You pull the little center tab out.
He already took out that's that piece over there.
Here they are.
But he took out the...
See these little clips right here? You're going to be pulling these out. So this panel comes off so you can get to it.
Yeah, it's just a panel. It's easy, guys. You can do it with the screw, with the flathead.
Okay, that's the wrong size. So we got to go a little bigger. Where's those sockets? Sockets right here. We're going to go with the 3/8. It's a 3/8. Listen, this one. Ah, easy now. Side. That's a long bolt. Alright. Alright. We got that one out. Okay. We got a little clip right here. You're going to undo that little clip right here. And unplug that. See that? And then you're going to take out the other one. Got to listen not to freaking take the bolt out, I think. Yeah, almost there. Okay, we got that out. Oh shit. Hey. Now for the second one, put it back in. Put this one in first. Okay, then take this one here. Make sure you get the ground on there. Get that one in. Like that. Find your wrench wherever I put it. Okay, that's tight. Plug it back in. Okay, everything's tight. Oop, 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 oop. Now let's test it out. All right. Yeah. Let's test it out. We're gonna test it out right now. Move that right there. Go ahead and...
It has a button right here.
Yeah.
I guess it's...
Oh. This thing's gonna hold it. What the hell?
It's the same part.
Yeah, it's the same part.
I think it's this that was getting in the way. Watch.
I don't know. Is it? Let me see.
Yeah, it was just that.
Okay.
Yeah!
And it works!
Got it on, yeah.
And it works!
It's too long, the wire, though. That's why.
Oh, I gotta put the panel back on to hold it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, take that. And it's on there. And then all you gotta do is put this panel right here back on.
Yeah, at least showing that part since you took it off.
This is pretty simple. You take this handle, you put it right through here, slide that up like that, boom, and then you tuck this right here, right in behind this, like that, just like that. And you come over here and you do the same thing over here. There we go. Get your little clip. Stick your little clip in there. That right there.
Alright guys, we just killed it on the 2014 Dodge Charger. Now she's going to be ready for finance. I believe that was the last issue. But yeah, if you guys are having a trunk opening issue, definitely look into that. I believe it's called a, what is it called?
What?
A trunk
Latch.
actuator. It was some weird word. It was called actuator.
Actuator.
Yeah, don't get me on the pronunciation. I'll probably get roasted for that. But yeah, I found it on eBay for like 40 bucks the part. All right guys, catch you next time. Peace.